I know we're not the New England states getting feet of snow, but come on. And look at this pond. Maybe it's just a sitting area. Oh, I'm about to fall. That would be great to have to get scooped up off the parking lot. No, maybe it's not a wedding area. Maybe it's just a sitting area, but I always see these little gazebo things and think that's where people stand and get married. So that could be my bad, guys. The bench is down. The pond. You guys want to play some puck? Oh goodness, why did I come out here? It is freezing. But here is a view of the hotel. We just came out that back door. Pamphlet in the world about all the things you can do in this general area of Ohio. So come on out. Setting up some food. It's party time. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's John here with another day off video. Hoping you're enjoying your day off as much as I am. Right now I'm at the Encore Hotel. I think you guys may have seen one of my videos a while back where I was at my company Christmas party, and guess what? See the Christmas tree behind me. It's time for another work Christmas party. $10 for Rubik's Cubes? Ugh. I don't know. Looks like something I might see at Dollar Tree. That is hysterical. I've never actually gone down the stairs here. I just did the elevator last time. That's right, it is Christmas time. Tonight's options. It's that time of the year. My company's going all out with a coffee trailer today, or a coffee table among food. Look at this little baby cup. It's delicious. On the menu today, Amish wedding chicken, roast beef, taters, gravy, and mixed vegetables. Plus rolls will go here. Snacks. I'm going to hold off buying snacks, that's for sure, but they do look pretty tasty and I am hungry. But we've got plenty of good food, as you saw, on the way. Yes, it is the work company Christmas party tonight. That's why I'm trying to look halfway decent. I was just at the neighboring pet store a little while ago, and wouldn't you believe it, I actually got approached by some ladies who watch the channel, and I froze like a deer in the headlights. Straight up apologies to the ladies who watch the channel because I completely blanked. I was a little bit overwhelmed with the fact that people watch my channel. And these ladies were out there saying we watch your channel, and that they had a friend who was not feeling so great that likes watching my channel, and they took a picture, and I forgot to get their names, and I feel like such an idiot.
Idiot!
So, ladies, if you're watching, great to meet you guys. I do apologize. I really wish that I would have just not completely froze and blanked out. And yeah, I'm very humble to have an audience that takes the time to watch my channel, let alone coming up and saying hello. I mean, I really want anybody who watches the channel just to feel free to come up and say hi, high five, take a picture, whatever. But I just, for whatever reason, just, insert whatever, like the little AOL bubble, from back in the day. And the reason why we were actually at the puppy store next door here in Berlin, Ohio was, if you guys didn't hear, we did lose our dog recently, our old boy, my best friend Gatsby. he passed away. We had to put him down, and it really sucks, and it's been really hard for us lately. So we wanted to go over there and just kind of pet the dogs and show them a little love and just have that moment to cuddle with them. So we were over doing that and met some subscribers, and that was pretty cool. The crowd of coworkers is starting to get here now, but out of respect for them and my employer, I'm going to not really film people so much, just myself, but hope you guys are enjoying your day off if you had one. It is the Christmas season once again, and I can't believe it's already Christmas party time. If you're interested in staying at this hotel, we found out, fun fact for you, there are 81 rooms, and right now there's a lot of people here that aren't just my coworkers. And while you wait as a guest or visitor, you can play games. I just totally rocked my wife's world in Rock'em Sock'em Robots. Blue Bomber. That's, I don't know if I would name him that. I can feel the toastiness off that fire from right here. Look at that. Now it's already set, pie's already set. They do a thing here called the pie swap. People just try to grab whatever flavor they like the most. All catered in from a local place called Log Cabin Catering. Here's the full itinerary. I'm going to do a prayer, dinner, comments, entertainment, service, and all this. Lemonade, water, and tea stand, and coffee for if you just want plain old coffee and creamer. I'm going to get me some of this sweet tea and mix it with lemonade.
Yeah, that's what John was saying.
They just announced that we could have seconds, but I don't think I could do it.
Hello, at my Christmas banquet, eating this yummy food.
What's your favorite thing so far?
I think I like the mashed potatoes the best.
Okay.
You got a good math brain, then I can't.
I mixed it up. I mean,
Oh, had to get a restroom break in there, guys. But food, 10 out of 10. Log Cabin Catering. Freaking roast beef was good. The Amish chicken, super good. If you're not familiar with what Amish wedding chicken is, I'll toss a recipe in the description of this video. Rolls, veggies, potatoes, all good. I am so full. Well, you guys, that is going to wrap up the party part of it. The food was really good. The fellowship was really good.
Few moments later.
All right, you guys, fast forward. We are now home. As I was doing my little walk out of the hotel and saying bye to you guys, I noticed the lady at the front desk kind of eyeballing me, and then she kind of stopped me and said, hey, if you want a picture in front of the tree, I can do that. I then related to her that I was vlogging, and she was like, oh. So I decided to just wait till I got home, guys, to finish this up. But great time at my company party. Good time for fellowship. Good time for the employees to come together. You know, great time to get gifts. Talk about what we've done all year, all the hard work we've put into it. Also getting the chance to really eat and share a meal together, pray, and just talk it all out about everything that's been going on throughout the last work year and the plans for the future. I feel very blessed that my wife and I get to work for the company that we're at. And of course, they just continue to give. We got our holiday bonus. We got fed, as I mentioned, and I just had a really great time. I'm going to throw the social medias of Blend of Grace and Log Cabin Catering into the description of this video. They're not sponsored by any means, but they were just such a great team of people to have taking care of us tonight. And of course, you guys already know, if you've watched the channel long enough, that I like to promote small local businesses and things like that, so I'm going to make sure I get all their socials. If you ever need any type of refreshments, they're your people. And again, I want to thank the ladies that I met at the pet store. I'm so sorry I did not get your names. I was very deer in the headlights when we met, because I have just not been approached by anybody in public really on this channel. A couple people, but I just, you know, was unbelievably, humble, and I really hope that you guys understand that. I do apologize for not getting your names. I really, as I was sitting there thinking at the banquet tonight, that it would have been great to FaceTime your friend who's going through some hardship and things right now, or whatever they may be going through, and they weren't feeling good, and that would have been great to just talk to them too, and I'm really kicking myself for that. So maybe if you guys find me, comment on this video, or hit me up on my socials, we'll make it all happen. Until then, guys, we'll catch you all later on the next one.